Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can get Adobe student discount outside US. So first step is to visit Adobe student page. So navigate to the Adobe's official student page, and then you can find it by searching for Adobe student discount or going directly to their official website. So you just have to make sure that you're on the official Adobe website to avoid scams. So the page will show the current student pricing. So that's typically 60 to 64% off the regular Creative Cloud All Apps plan. So just click on See Terms to understand the eligibility requirements. Next step is to choose your subscription. So click on Buy Now or Start Free Trial if available. So you will be redirected to a page where you need to select your country and region. So just an important note that even if you're outside the US, you have to select your actual country. So Adobe offers student discounts in most countries worldwide. So the discount percentage may vary by region. So that's usually 60 to 65 off percent. So you can choose between monthly or annual prepaid plans or annual plans because they offer better value. Next step is to create or sign in to Adobe account. So if you already have an Adobe account, you can sign in with your email and password. But if not, you can click on create an account and use your student email address that ends with edu, AC, or UK, or your institution's domain. So using a student email makes verification easier. So you can fill all your information, including name, date of birth, and create a secure password. So after that, you will receive a verification email. So what you're going to do is just click the link to verify the account. So next step is to verify student status. So Adobe uses Share ID or Uni Days for student verification. So you will be asked to provide your school, the university name, and the date of birth. And in some cases, you might need to upload proof of enrollment. So the accepted documents include a student ID card, enrollment letter, class schedule, or tuition receipt. So you just have to make sure that the documents clearly show that your name, the institution name, and the current academic year. So the verification usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, but it can take up to 24 hours. Now the next step is to finalize your subscription. So once verified, you will see the student discount price applied. So you just have to enter your payment details. It can be credit or debit card or even PayPal. So just review the total amount. It should show the discounted price, like for example, US $24.99. That's monthly instead of $69.99 monthly. So after that, just click on place order to complete the purchase. So you will receive a confirmation email with your receipt. So you can also download the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application from your account page and sign in to access all the applications including Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and more. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!